आपको बताएं, वज़ीर कानून आज़म नज़ीर तार पार्लियामेंट के मुश्तरका इजलास में इज़हार ख्याल कर रहे हैं। आपको लिए चलते हैं। इस वक्त पार्लियामेंट का मुश्तरका इजलास जारी है और अब से कुछ देर पहले वफाकी वज़ीर कानून आज़म नज़ीर तार पार्लियामेंट के मुश्तरका इजलास में इज़हार ख्याल कर रहे थे।
Put clause 40 as amended to the House. The question is that clause 40 as amended do stand part of the bill. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently clause 40 as amended stands part of the bill. Clause 41. There are two amendments in clause 41. First amendment standing in the name of Mr. Murtaza Javed Awasi. Second amendment standing in the name of Senator Behraman Tangi, Senator Shamim Afridi, and Senator Mohammad Tahir Bizinjo. Not present. Now, I call upon Minister for Law and Justice to move the amendment.
सर, ये मैं मूव कर रहा हूँ जी अमेंडमेंट ऑफ सेक्शन 158 in the said act in section 158 the existing provision thereof shall be numbered as subsection 1 of that section. After subsection 1 numbered as aforesaid, the following new subsection shall be added, namely, if election tribunal finds that failure to comply with this act or rules mentioned in clause A of subsection 1 is due to negligence of one or more presiding officers or returning officers and not in connivance with the returned candidate, it shall direct the commission to initiate criminal proceedings against the negligent presiding officers or returning officer under section 184 read with section 188, as well as disciplinary proceedings against them under section 55 and pending final decision.
जहां पे पुलिस के ऊपर फायरिंग की गई और उसके अंदर जो है दो हमारे कांस्टेबल वाजिद